Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Shakira's new Girl Like Me TikTok dance, super awesome song, super awesome TikTok dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Meliande, for being the first one to request it. I probably pronounced your name wrong, so apologize in advance. Alright, so I'm gonna try my best to keep this tutorial as short as possible, but I'm also gonna be thorough, right? What I'm gonna do is, because it's more or less 5 different moves, so I'm gonna break it into 5-minute sections, and then at the end, we're gonna piece it together, and then we're gonna practice. And remember, you can always jump to the full dance run through if you're a fast learner. Alright, so first minute section, let me show you what we're about to learn. Alright, so we go shuffle, shuffle, ha, ha, ha. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, time to break it down. It's not as hard as it looks, alright? So basically, if you know how to do this, jump kick and jump switch. You know how to do this move. Okay, so let's try and do it. So you want to jump on your left, kicking your right to the front. Like that, alright? And let me just show it from the side. I want to jump slightly back, yeah? So notice I'm jumping here, alright? So once you can do this, you want to say switch. So you jump on your right, this one goes down, the other one goes up in the back here, alright? So went from here to here. So just practice doing that a few times. You want to say jump, kick your right to the front, and then you say switch, alright? Just practice that. Boom, boom. Once you can do that, you want to say from here, now the left is in the back up here, you want to jump on your right still, but kicking your left to the front. Alright? Just show it from the side. I was here, my left is up, my right is down here. I want to say jump on my right, kick my left to the front. Alright? So, that was the transition. We want to do kick here, switch, kick here, and then you do the switch. Again. Yeah, and then you can just practice this a few times. So when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. Now I'm exaggerating, you can also do a small one if you want. Whoop. Now, once you can do it, you can try and practice rotating here from side to side. So now I'm facing my left corner here. So, boom. And then when I switch, I just go here, turn slightly here to my right, and then go all the way to the right, all right? So I start here, left corner, switch, switch. Alright, so whoop and whoop. Now, some of you probably noticed that that is not exactly how Shakira does it. She has her leg down here instead of up here. This is just the more easy version because then your brain knows that all of your weight has to be on this leg here. But you can also bring it down. Yeah, just remember how to switch the weight. So once you can do whop and whop, from here you basically just need to jump to the front on your left here, whoop, and then back on your right, whoop, and then back on your left, whoop, and then back on your right, whoop. Alright? So it's here, here, front, back, back. Okay, so just practice with me just one time. The timing is pretty simple. It's just 1, then you go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, so when you do it fast, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna count to 8, 1, and then we go 2, alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now, the arms are pretty simple. You just go whatever way you're kicking. So now I'm kicking to my left corner here. So my left arm is up, my right arm is down, and it's just pointing in opposite directions. Alright, and then when you switch leg to the other side, you just want to switch the arms as well. Alright, so you went from here to here. Okay, so let's just try it with me. We're gonna go slow. We're gonna go 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, so when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, just practice with me. We're gonna go slow. 5. Start on 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, so obviously it goes a bit faster, but I just want to build up your confidence. You can practice this on your own, of course, until you can do it fast. Alright, so let's just move on. So right after we go boom, 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 boom. The next part we're gonna learn, let me just show a quick preview. So we're here, we're going ha, ha, boom, hey. Alright, now let me break it down. So the first one, I call this move the wiggle walk, alright? So basically what you want to do is practice by having your toes pointing out in each direction here, and then you want to go out, in, out. So you're doing mini jumps, right? Okay, let me just show it from the side. Boom. Notice how my toes are still planted on the ground. Just lifting my heels out and in. Now, once you can do this, yeah, you want to try and lift up one leg at a time. You want to go lift, 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 lift. Once you can do that, you want to try and once you lift and put it back down, you want to go slightly to the back. Yeah, and then this one goes slightly to the back, and then so on. Yeah, so eventually you can do this. Alright, so you're starting by practicing this, then you're practicing. Sorry. Boom, 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 and then doing back, back, or to the front if you want. Alright, so that was a super fast explanation. I also have a detailed tutorial on how to do this move. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description. So basically what she does is from here you want to do, this is your left ear up, you want to bring it and back, and then you want to bring the right back and back. Now from here you just want to prep and go jump, because we want to prep for the kick. Alright, so let me just rewind here. This was end of mini section 1. The left is going and back. Now the right is going and back. And then you want to say and prep before you want to jump and say hiya. Alright, so what you just did is left back, right back, both bend before we say kick with the right. Let's just try that. We're gonna go, the timing is 5. We're gonna go and 6 and 7, 8, 1. Alright, let's try that. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6. Actually, you know what? Let's start on, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, remember to bend so that you can kick your right leg up. Alright, let's try it one more time from here. Starting and 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. Okay, I feel like I need to show this from the side as well. So if I'm showing it from the side, this is 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Now, feel free to practice on your own. Just pause the video, rewind, whatever you want. Alright? Now, if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Let me start with a quick preview of the next mini section here. So right after the kick, we want to go A, and A, and A. Now, let me break it down for you. It's actually super simple. Basically, what you're doing is just saying jump from side like that. Yeah? Now, what you need to do also is to bring the other leg behind here. Yeah? So when I jump on my left, my right is behind here. Alright? And then when I jump on right, my left is behind here. Because I want to say tap. Alright? So jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap. Now, once you know how to do that, what she does is she goes right tap, left tap, right tap, and then there's a wiggle with your hip or whatever you want, alright? So let me just show you again. Right, left, right, and, alright? And then you just want to repeat it to the other side. So let's just go from the beginning. Right, and right, then left, right, left, ha, ha. So let's just try that part with me one time. So we're gonna go right, and left, right, and alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, and left, right, and Now, the arms are just say right on your right hip, left is saying look because she's singing something with looking for. That's on the first 4 count, and then she switches to the opposite side. Alright, so let me just show you with the arms. It's gonna look like this. Right, left, right, and a switch. Left, right, left, and Try that with me one time. Here we go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Look, there, right, and left, right, left, and And again, feel free to pause the video and practice on your own if you need to. But if you're ready to move on, let's move on.